AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR Virtual Functional Bus. Basic Principles, Introduction and Revision. Welcome to the course, Virtual Functional Bus, Basic Principles, as part of AUTOSAR Classic Platform R1911. This e-learning focuses on the Virtual Functional Bus, which is the main communication concept of AUTOSAR Classic Platform R1911. First, you will be provided with a short revision of the course Virtual Functional Bus, Introduction, where we learned about the concept of the Virtual Functional Bus and took a detailed look at the most important elements of the Virtual Functional Bus, the components. In this e-learning we will explore the other three elements of the Virtual Functional Bus, which are the port interfaces, the ports and the connectors. In the last chapter we cover the relationship of the Virtual Functional Bus and the ECU software architecture. To get started with the Virtual Functional Bus we take a look at an example. Therefore we use the brake system. For a brake system we need several software components at application level. And for the respective infrastructure we need several software components of the basic software. Between those layers lays the Virtual Functional Bus. All of the software components have ports and port interfaces, so they can communicate with other components. Those ports are connected via assembly software connectors. Now we already know the most important words of this topic. If you want to learn more about AUTOSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.